Okay, I'm going to do some engine checks. Need to check the mags. There's the right mag, RPM drop. Left mag, RPM drop. Check the prop. Prop's coming back. Prop's coming back. Good. 3 nose up, 3 nose right. You ready to go?
Should I show it the canopy?
Close the canopy. Tell me when it's closed and locked.
Closed and locked.
Okay, brakes released. Here we go.
3,500 Delta 28.
Okay, there's 50. Release the pressure on the nose. 60 knots. We're airborne. Gears coming up. Pull the prop back a little. November 334 Romeo Lima is clear. 18 Ketchum departing to the southeast.
Parking at U.S. Aviation.
Yeah, I'm showing gear up, flaps are up. I'm going to open my canopy just a tad if I can. Be hard to do. It forms a suction once it closes. Props full. November 334 Romeo Lima's left base, low approach, Ketchum.
Do a flyby by Fred.
I'm gonna.
All right. How low can you get here?
I'll go down to 50 feet. Because it's on the runway, I need to do a clearing pass.
So like now, when do you start banking left once you get the runway in sight?
Usually when it's 45 degrees behind me,
Yeah.
if I'm doing a normal landing, but this isn't a normal landing. Smoke's on. 34 Romeo Lima's low approach, 18, close full stop.
How fast are we going?
150 miles an hour, 170 miles an hour.
What are we? 100 feet off the ground?
100 feet off the ground. Smoke's off. Gonna start a left climbing turn, slow down to get the gear down. Romeo Lima's turn left downwind, full stop 18.
Now, who are you talking to? Is there anybody?
I'm just letting people in the area know that I'm flying here because it's an uncontrolled airport. So everyone's supposed to check in when they're in the pattern.
Yep.
Gears coming down. Flaps going to 50. Props going up.
What do you mean? What's it mean when props going up?
I'm setting it up in case we have to do a go around or anything like that.
What's the airspeed?
I can get full power.
What's the airspeed to land?
About 60 knots. I'm at 80 now. I'll try to fly the final turn at 80, 90, but this thing likes to go fast, and a lot of times I accelerate to 100 knots and then bleed it off in the overrun.
So why do you put the landing gear down so soon? Because
otherwise, once I start the turn, I'll accelerate past 100 and I have to put it down below 100 knots.
Oh, okay. You just pulled the throttle back then?
Yeah. 3-4, room, turn and final, 18, full stop, catch 'em. Yeah, I got the gear down, flaps 50. We're pretty much gliding in now.
Yeah.
Because we got plenty of airspeed.
So how much do you have to keep the nose up?
Not much. I mean, I'm almost on the ground here. I should learn how to keep the nose off the runway more and do an aero brake.
That slow you down faster?
Yeah, and it doesn't make it bounce, because right now my nose is very light because I've burned a lot of fuel.